You know I like my chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, pair of jeans that fit just right, and a radio And I was raised beneath the shade of a Georgia pine. That's home, you know, the sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine, where the peaches grow. Our house is not much to talk about, but it's filled with love that's grown in southern ground. And a little bit of chicken fried, a cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and a radio up, and I seen sunrise. I seen the love in a woman's eyes. I feel the touch of a precious child. No mother's love. Well, ain't it funny how it's the little things in life that mean the most? Not where you live, the car you drive, or the price tag on your coat. There's no dollar sign on a piece of mind, as I've come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me. Raise your glasses for a toast to a little bit of chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and then the radio up, and I seen sunrise. I seen the love in a woman's eyes. I feel the touch of a precious child. No mother's love. Thank God for my life, for the stars and stripes, may freedom forever fly. Let it rain, salute the ones that died, the ones that gave their lives, so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love, like our chicken fried, and cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up, and I seen sunrise. Seen the love in a woman's eye. I feel the touch of a precious child. No mother's love.